What's up, guys? It's Monday night. I'm tired, I'm not gonna lie, but called Sky. We got an invite to LA. One of our friends got a new mansion for his BRB. We're gonna find out the details on it, but they're having exotic cars meetup. Then we're gonna go out and do a little drive. It is late Monday night. I won't say the exact time, but Sky was like, let's roll. Sky's always down. So I had to suck it up, and we're out here. We're gonna jump in the car, it's all warmed up. We're gonna go hit LA. Come along with us, let us know what you think. We're in LA. It's 10 o'clock at night. It's where everybody's been getting robbed. I am wearing the Rolex tonight, so it's available. And 10 o'clock at night, going where people get robbed. We are definitely not the sharpest tools in the shed. What's up, bro? Hey, bro, our lens is bigger. Our lens is bigger. Everything over here is bigger, bro. It's all bigger. I love the wrap. That wasn't us. What's up?
What's up, buddy?
What's up, brother?
Good to see you.
Thank you for the invite. Where we park?
You can park behind him for now.
It's a sick ass house. Yeah, bro, it's disgusting. All right, we made it. A little less under an hour. We had some fun on the way here. We found some people to race on the freeway in Mexico. Definitely wasn't in California.
Mind the bed, don't mind that bed tomorrow. We had a little fun yesterday.
Yeah, we're not gonna go in there then.
Yeah, go ahead, I don't care.
Like 38 people in this house. Leaves you to shoot.
Hey, we had Bible study last night.
Yeah, BS.
Go with the priest and shit, that kind of
Nah,
stuff.
bro, there was nothing. There was some crazy things that happened here last night. The walls are telling secrets right now, bro.
The walls are telling something.
Any house have a lot of secrets.
Yeah, the walls are telling something. It's not secret. It's not secret.
So I heard Tashir's paying for everybody's gas. You know, gas is $6 a gallon.
Just give it up for this year.
Get ready to launch it.
Yeah, he's gonna wrap it up, guys.
Watch out, guys.
Launch it, bro. Get ready. I go,
I
That
literally
shit
couldn't
was
even
gone.
fucking record it in time.
We require flames, sir. Yeah, we need flames. All right, perfect. Thank you. That was good. Thank you, sir. I approve.